Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the first of the line mix 3. It's 11:02 and 49 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. 7 times for the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Teams 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yoink. Random is complete. Just do a screenshot, then I'll read through the teams. So, Kiwi with the Grizz, Carlos the Nets, Danny Dunn Raptors, Van Houten Hawks, Danny Dunn Bulls, Van Houten Wizards, John Deegan Spurs, Tahi Johnson Mavericks, Glenbow Blazers, Van Sanderson Pistons, Van Houten Pacers, Jacob Birch Nuggets, Van Houten Wolves, Van Sanderson Kings, Daniel Driscoll Cavs, Cannon with the Lakers, Dale with Hornets, Paul Johnson with Thunder, Charles with Warriors, Van Houten Heat, Jacob Birch with Suns, Dale with the Rockets, Glenn Bow with the Celtics, John Deegan with the Sixers and Pelicans, Dale with the Bucks, Charles with the Clippers, Tahi with the Knicks, Simon with the Jazz and Magic. And that is that.